Hey guys, what's going on? It's Ron Pascal here, and I have a client website pulled up with Digital Brand Boosters. I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit sliders, how to work with sliders. Here in the back end of WordPress, you're going to see some settings here, and you want to navigate to Revolution Slider. Now, it's a plugin in WordPress, so if you don't have the plugin, then install the plugin if you want to learn how to use this. All right, so it's right here. I'm just going to show you real quickly that it's a plugin. It's one of our plugins. Slider Revolution, there it is. It's activated right there. Okay, so when you're in the back here, you're gonna see that there's different sliders with different settings. Okay, and the one that we're using is homepage panel. So I'm gonna click that slider, and you can also edit individual sliders, which I'm gonna show you right now how to do. So right now I'm editing the actual physical slider, not the slides. So you can go over here if you want to, have it stop when you have the mouse cursor over it. You can do that. If you want to show a progress bar, you can do that. We have that off. If you want to show, for example, you want to show like a spinner effect, you can do that. On mobile, you can even take the mobile slider off of the mobile version of your website. Positioning. There's all these different settings and variations you can do here. Looping slides and navigation. If you want to show bullets at the bottom, you can do that, right? So we're going to leave it the way it is, but I just wanted to show you here that there's different types of sliders in general inside Revolution Slider that you can use to customize the look of your website, all right? You can change the name, all that. There's more information here. It keeps going, how it looks on mobile, how it looks on desktop. You can play around with all these. So that's the back end of a physical slider. Now you can also change the way the slides work too. Click Add Revolution Slider. I'm doing the search. You can just add a slider if you want to. It'll pull up a list of sliders, and obviously ours is Next Level Backup. If you don't have Visual Composer, it's cool. All you need to do is go to Text. If you go into the HTML side, you'll see there's an option that you can add sliders in. Bam! So you can add it in right there. All right. So when it comes to editing slides and stuff, right now the site is live, so I'm not going to be doing this right now. This is a video. It's just I'm in a slow Wi-Fi region. But pretty much when it comes to editing the slider, let me pull that up for you. Slider Revolution. Wow. It's a cool video, and this video is actually pulled from YouTube. We have it uploaded on YouTube, and we have a slider, pretty much a slider command to just pull this video from YouTube, show this text, show these buttons. Like this button will actually, I think, pull you to the YouTube video. Right. Yeah, this is to the full video, but we have a short 30-second version that we made. But how you use this is you can see here that I showed you guys how to look at all the sliders. Here are the individual slides in that Next Level Backup, and there's 3 right now. This one's hidden. I'm not really sure what these slides represent. I didn't create this, but I know how to use this, so I'm going to show you guys. You'll see here you can have either a main background image, you can have it be a link. You could pull an image from a link, whatever you want, but we decided to use a YouTube video with the video code here, okay? And for the cover image, you can upload your own, whatever you want. Cool. So pretty much just general settings, like how long the slider is going to be, all this cool stuff, the thumbnail, how it's going to look like. You can choose your own thumbnail. You can have, animated slides. If you have multiple slides, slide info, you can do whatever you want. So up here is that. Down here is more like animation. You can, change the animation. You can change the loops, visibility, actions if you want it to be a link. Well, right now, this is a video slider, so that option's off. But if you wanted it like a button, like let's say you wanted this button, like right now there's an action set up. It's under actions, you can do that. It's set up as a click. So when you click, it goes to this URL. which is that YouTube video I just showed you. There's different things you can do, attributes, parallax. So it's all about playing around animations. Right now this is a video slider, and other sliders you can, you can have different sorts of things and all that, but this is just a video slider. It's just a simple video pulled from YouTube that we put it here, that we customly created, one of our video editors. And right here is just layers. So you'll see there's text layer, there's a button. Those are all these things. See how I click button, it's highlighting watch now, it's highlighting early morn, it's highlighting, that's it. If you wanted to change this, you can double click it, video, homie, bam. Now, you know, today, whatever, wherever it is, you can change text like that. You could add text. Let's say I wanted to add a text, and it's like the #1 record in the USA, right? Sometimes it's like all the way up here. You see that? And let's say I wanted to make this super big because that's part of the headline strategy or something. Bam, right? And let's say I wanted to make USA underneath. Sometimes you got to use HTML, right? Let's say I wanted this to be completely in the center. Bam, or bam, right? There's so many cool things you can do. You can push this in. Sorry about that. Let me record. It's like bam, I have it like that. And let's say I wanted to do a cool image, and I'm uploading images underneath this, and I wanted to do another button. You can do all these cool things, man. It's just fun to just play around with. Here it's like, let's say I want the text to be, buy our album, and I wanted it to be red. The hover is fine, but I want it to be a red button, right? Bam. And you can change the size of this too. You can make this bolder. Whatever it is that you want, you can do that. So that's pretty much how you use Revolution Slider for the most part. If you guys need any more help with learning how to use, don't forget to save your changes too. You can save them here. Usually it's at the top. Yeah, right here, this green button. That's pretty much how you use Revolution Slider. If you guys need any help, reach out to Digital Brand Boosters. We'll be more than happy to help you. And thanks so much for watching.